my YouTube channel Learn Data Science. Now we are going to see how to insert a function. Okay, now here in this Excel I'm not having an Xlookup function. Okay, now see how I'm saying I'm not having Xlookup function means click here and equal to, see now if I'm putting VLOOKUP, okay, VLO, see it shows VLOOKUP. Okay, now I am putting HLOOKUP, HLO. Now see HLOOKUP. So these are functions are present in this Excel. If I am putting XLOOKUP, XLO, see it didn't show. Then what is the meaning of that? The XLOOKUP function is not present in this Excel. So I'm going to show how to insert XLOOKUP function. Okay. First of all, go to File and here is an account. Okay. Select this account. First you have to see what is your Excel bit. Okay, so about Excel, see here this is 64-bit. Okay, you have to see this is 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay, if yours are 64-bit, you note and click OK and go for more and option, go for add-ins, wait, it takes time. Okay, then here Excel add-ins. Okay, if your tab is in another option, click on Excel add-ins and go. Okay, here see I'm not having an lookup functions, that 64-bit functions. Okay, so I'm going to browse. Actually I have downloaded the 64-bit Excel bit, so go for downloads, say X function 64. Okay, X function, all the X functions I have in this. Okay, so I'm browsing over that. Okay, it is added, so click OK. It's loading. So this will I will give in description the link to download this X functions. Okay, so who are not having this X function 64-bit or 32-bit can easily download by clicking that link. Okay, now I think it's downloaded, so equal to, now click X LC X look. Okay, it came. So likewise only we have to download or what are the functions we are not having. You can search in Google. Okay, you can search, you have to see what is the version. This is 2016, so now if you are buying a new laptop or computer, now 2019 is that, so you have to see what bit and what version. According to that you can download and you can use. Okay, so that, like this only we have to download Xlookup function or to insert any other functions like this one. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel Learn Data Science. Actually this YouTube channel is all about data science. So if anyone is interested to become a data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, can watch my video. Thank you.